Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Google Fitbit Air, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this smartband. So let's get started. If you want to set the alarm clock on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Google Health application. And once the devices are paired, we can open the Google Health, and usually you will see, let me actually reopen it so you can see the home page of the app. That's how it looks like, the Today page. And we can tap on this icon right here to open the device page. And on it, we have the Fitbit Air selected. And here we have this big alarms button. Tap on it. Then if you don't have any alarms, tap on Add New Alarm. Then tap on Set Time. Set the time on which the alarm should go off. Then tap on OK. Then we have the Smart Wake option, and you can enable it if you want to. Here we have a description: wake up the optimal stage of sleep up to 30 minutes before you set the time. So basically it will try to wake you up 30 minutes before your actual time if you enable this option. And then you can select on which days, or choose on which days, the alarm should be active. Basically you can enable them and disable them. And once you're done, you can tap on Save, and the alarm will be added. And you can add multiple alarms, up to 8, as you can see. You can also edit the alarms by tapping on one, and here you can change the things. You can delete the alarm. You can also turn on and off alarms by tapping on the switch right here. And basically that's about all. And how the alarm works is basically your band will start vibrating at the specific time you set the alarm to go off. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.